In this video, I want to show how large disclosures are broken down into pieces, which makes understanding the disclosure easier. So here, this is the IFRS for SMEs XBRL taxonomy as I've enhanced it. It's not that large, but it's pretty big. What I did is I took this disclosure and broke it into logical pieces. Acquisition information, this section, and this section. So this is just an example. I took the disclosure and broke it into 3 parts. So you can see this. So here in this XBRL network, you can see all 3 disclosures combined. Here, you can see each of the 3 pieces, and I can click on these basically blocks of information and look at the individual block of information. I can do the same thing within a hypercube. And here I ignore the XBRL artifacts, and you don't see the hypercube. It's still there, but you only need to refer to it if you need to work with the XBRL. But here you don't really want to work with the XBRL. You want to work with the accounting information. And then here in the actual disclosure, these below here, these are disclosures that are required but are not provided. Here I've created a component, and what the component does is it takes the individual pieces and puts them together into a disclosure. So here I'm combining these 3 things, and I'm calling it the note. I'm kind of doing some experimentation. So the way this works is that each of these disclosure pieces are given a name. So there are 4 pieces here. You have one individual piece, another individual piece, another individual piece, then the combination of the 3 pieces right here. This is all in machine readable form. And this basically allows an accountant to work with the accounting information as contrast to having to deal with networks and components, which is basically just a network plus a hypercube and hypercubes. So you only need to deal with the information blocks or the disclosures. So I'm going to call that good.